Alright, today I'm going to show you the torque sequence for the ball joint to control arm on a Honda Civic. Specifically, we're going to be dealing with 8th generation and 9th generation Civics today. I'll be working on an 8th generation Civic, but the procedure is the same for the 9th also. So, hey, let's get to it. Alright, I'm on the left side of the car, so we're looking down the driver's side. And anytime we have to disconnect the ball joint from the control arm here, we're going to have to loosen and tighten these three fasteners right here. In this case, I replaced a CV axle, and so we need to torque these back down properly. And so the correct sequence is this nut in towards the front of the car, we snug that up first, and then the one towards the back of the car, we snug that one up second, and then the bolt in the middle, we snug that up third. Now we're going to do light first. So our first go around, we're just going to barely snug them up light so these two pinch together, but we're not going to do our final torque. Then after we do all three, then our second go around, we'll bring it to our final torque, and we'll do 43 foot-pounds on the one towards the front of the car. We'll do 43 on the one towards the back of the car, and then we'll do 43 on this center bolt. And that's our tightening or torque sequence, just like that. So we do the front, the rear, and then the center. As long as you do it that way, this will pinch back together properly and you'll be good to go. Now, it's always a good idea, it's always a good idea to replace fasteners, especially if they're rusty and anytime you remove them, but especially these nuts right here. These are locking type nuts, and so they're pretty much a one-time use only. So when we pull them off, we want to get new ones. So well, there you go. That's how you torque these things down. 8th generation Civics are going to be 43 foot-pounds. 9th generation are going to be 44 foot-pounds. All three are the same, whether it just depends on which generation it is. The passenger side or the right side, it's just a mirror image. It's going to be the same thing. Front, rear, and then inside. As always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.